Mushroom doesn't take that long to cook. Please click on the red button that says subscribe and click on the bell button also, so you will be notified as soon as I post new videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganti. Today we are going to stir fry some broccoli, Chinese style. We need some broccoli, and this is cornstarch. I'm going to add some water and make it to like a liquidy paste, and onion, and this is homemade chili paste made with Thai chilies, garlic, salt and some oil. And we need garlic and onion and some sauces. Okay, and we don't need to add salt because the sauce we are going to use has enough salt. Let's start the cooking. Before starting to stir fry the broccoli, we're going to make a sauce. I have here 2 cups of water, and I have about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here. I'm going to add some water and make this into like a liquidy paste. The cornstarch should completely dissolve in water. Okay, we are ready with the cornstarch, and the water is about to boil. So I'm going to add this in the boiling water, and you have to keep stirring this, otherwise it will become lumpy. See how the sauce is thickening? Cook it really well. So the cornstarch should be completely cooked. We don't want any raw cornstarch, so that will upset your stomach. Okay, so now I'm going to add the sauce in this. Some soy sauce, and I'm going to add some oyster sauce also. This gives a nice flavor, and it has a kind of fishy smell to it. So if you guys don't like the fishy smell, you can skip this, or you can add less. If you want, you can add some fish sauce also. This cornstarch is nicely cooked, and the sauce is the consistency I want. And if it's too thick, you can always add some more water. I'm going to add some mashed garlic. This is optional. If you don't want to add, you don't have to. And then I'm going to add the most important ingredient, the homemade chili paste. This is according to your taste. This is Thai chili, so it's very spicy. If you don't have this, you can always add whatever chili paste you have at home. So this is going to be the sauce for the broccoli stir fry. I'm going to start stir frying the broccoli. Okay, this is olive oil. Next, I'm going to mash some garlic. You can put as much as garlic you want according to your taste. Don't burn the garlic, just fry it a little bit, and as it starts to turn brown, then add onions. This is about half an onion. Okay, that's enough. You don't have to cook the onion too much. Like in Chinese cooking, you know that they don't cook the vegetable, even the onion, too much. Even the vegetables are like half cooked, which is healthy. So I'm going to add the broccoli now and stir fry the broccoli. And cook it in medium high. I'm going to turn the heat to medium low. Let's see. Perfect. See, the color has turned a little dark green, so that's enough. We don't have to cook too much. This is just fine. So here is the stir-fried broccoli. On top, I'm going to pour the sauce that we made. It's always better to pour the sauce just before you serve the broccoli. Here is your stir-fried broccoli Chinese style. I hope you enjoy the show. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Indian Cooking with Suganti. Click on the red button that says subscribe and also click the bell button. You will be notified whenever I post new videos. Subscription is free. Please pass it on to your friends and family and share the video with your friends. And I will be back soon with another easy and delicious healthy recipe. Until then, take care. And thank you for watching.